What's up guys, it's CK and welcome to a FL Studio tutorial. I'll be showing y'all how to use FL Studio Mobile version 3 on Android. I think it's the same on iOS anyway, on mobile. And basically this video covers the usage and everything of FL Studio. So we're going to start by creating a new project and put a name for our song. So I'm going to name this one YouTube tutorial. Yeah, just for y'all. And guys, stick around till the end of the video. I'll be showing you how which sample packs I use because they are very important to me. Go to my files since I use sample packs, my samples, and these are the cymatics packs I downloaded from cymatics. Basically, I'll put the link in the description and at the end of the video, and you'll be able to download these for free. So let's do the Astro pack melody loops, and they're free to use, guys, by the way. The Mojave. Yeah, so it sounds decent. Let's use it. So in order to be able to adjust the drums and everything, we're gonna have to change the BPM up to 130 because the sample, as you can see there next to the name loop, there's a 130 BPM. So we use the BPM of the sample. So since the BPM is 130, I'm setting the track BPM here to 130, the one next to the play button, 130. Set it to whatever BPM the melody loop uses. So now I'm gonna put a drum sequencer, the drums I use. I'm gonna add a kick, add some distortion on it to make it sound more aggressive. Put it on soft because I don't want it too aggressive. So use distortion to make your bass a bit, like aggressive and like loud and bassy, but not like 808s, which are bass like boo. No, you're just gonna make it normal. So I'm gonna add it in the second bar, and I'm just gonna play to see how it sounds like. Yeah, extend it a little. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds good. Now let's add another drum sequencer, 808, and hi-hats, basically hats. And by the way, guys, the sample packs. Let me just show y'all. The sample packs come with let me show you samples. Yeah, come with one shots basically. So they come with the sounds, so I can get whatever snare, hi-hat, 808s as well. Comes with everything you'll need. So I definitely recommend that you get a sample pack if you want to try this out. So I'm gonna extend my hi-hats, put them, I think 6. Yeah, that's good. Let's hear it. Yeah, sounds good. So now I'm going to add another drum sequencer. And I'm going to put my snares now. Just want to hear if it's the right one. I think I can find a better one though, because it sounds a bit Let's just use the FL Studio one. I don't want to go too much into the sample packs. I'll do that in the next video, the more advanced tutorial. But then this is to just get you guys started. So I'm going to extend it, put it here. Put it where you want it to start, guys. Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Now I'm gonna this empty space here in the middle, let me just zoom in for y'all. I want you guys to see. Okay, this space in the middle here, this one is for the chorus. So when the artist is doing the chorus, it's gonna be there. I'd recommend he does the chorus on it, but he can do anything he like. He or she, they can do anything they like on it. So yeah, let's hear it. Yeah, that's good. It sounds good. Like yeah, it's satisfying. So now I'm gonna add my snares again, like right over there. Yeah, let's just extend, and I'm just gonna leave that space as well. Like where the snares just jump back into the track. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. And by the way, guys, this is not advanced, okay? I'll be showing you in the next video how to do these crazy kicks like boom, 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 all those things. How to play around with the kicks and all that in the app. And now I'm going to make the hats go like really fast. I'm going to put it on I'm going to fill the beat basically. And, okay, I want you guys, okay, I'm going to extend first. I want you guys to hear the difference. I hope you hear it. Okay, you definitely will. So it's gonna go, like, let me add this one. It's gonna go from slow to fast to slow. So it's to, you know, like change your mood while you're listening to the track, basically. Just extending to end of the track. And that's it, guys. This is the track. Like, this is it. This is the track. We just made a beat in 6 minutes. 17 seconds basically. Okay, so now let's listen to it like this, the full review. So this is going to be the whole beat playing now. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below if you need any of my help. I'll respond to your comments, I promise. And by the way, don't forget to export, save your projects, save. So you just press save there, press the FL sign, press save, and you just press save again. And you can also export to MP3 so that it goes into your music library. But then I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So guys, keep up, watch the next video, and that's it for the Real Squad.